Hello, beautiful beings. My name is Nidhi. I am a life coach, certified Ho'oponopono practitioner, a poet. Yes, a poet, inner child therapist, and now bars therapist as well. Yes, access consciousness bars practitioner. So, let me give you a little brief about my journey. 3 years back, I lost a big chunk of money. Yes, it was big for me, around 70 lakhs. Then I had to sell my house because of financial crunch. And I was doing everything under the sun, some gratitude courses, some courses here and there. And I said, I don't know what's wrong with me, that I'm still not able to fix anything. And what's actually happening was just not okay with me. मतलब मुझे लग रहा था कि सब कुछ कर रही हूँ मैं, पर कहीं पहुँच ही नहीं रही हूँ, घूम घूम के फिर से मैं सेम जगह पे आ जाती हूँ. So one day I was just searching on Insta and I found a guy talking about bars, and he was sharing his experience, and I said, okay, if it is really effective, let me find out. And I started googling about it, and I landed to Arshia's page. And I don't know what happened. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे कॉल करना चाहिए. I called her and asked her for a session. She said, this is the price for my session. And I said, oh, it's too high. Again, because I had a lot of money blockages with me. My point of view on money was really very conservative at that particular time. Anyways, but I still gathered the courage and I said, okay, I did everything. This is the last thing, let me give it a shot. And I went for a session and something changed. And I don't know what was it. Sincerely, something drastically changed. Some shift happened. I said, yes, something is working. Then I again went for another session. Though Arsha said, see, I will not tell you to come for a session after a week or something. It's up to you. It's just that whenever you feel like coming, you just call me and come. If you feel good about today, just come when you feel like coming. And I again went for a session. Again, I felt the space in me and something shifted. I felt that, so many things were hidden which I didn't know about it. Then she said that she's coming with this course, BM to HM. And I said, oh, too much of investment, and no, not my cup of tea. I'm a tea lover, so not my cup of tea. Anyways, तो पर समथिंग अगेन कुछ तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं, चलो ठीक है, इतने सारे पैसे गए हैं, अगर इससे कुछ ठीक हो सकता है तो व्हाई नॉट. एंड आई वेंट फॉर इट. बिलीव मी गाइस, in 11 days the kind of clearing happened, the kind of hidden secrets came out. And I said, really, I created all this for what? That was the big surprise. So, this smiley face and the way you're seeing me right now, I was not the same person before doing the course. I cannot explain you in words what has happened in my life after doing the course. My relationship with money has changed. The fear, the anxiety attacks, the panic attacks I used to get about money, gone. Money is always there in my account. From somewhere or the other, it just keep coming. I love money and money loves me. Our relationship is very loving, caring with each other now. I did bars and foundation also with her later on. And believe me, my life is not the same. I'm so much better. I'm exploring the new possibilities every single day. If you're really looking for a change, if you feel that, if you're feeling stuck, if you're at the verge of giving up, or even if you're happy, Just do it. Be a Nike, just do it because it's going to take you a level ahead. And the kind of awareness you get, it's unmatchable. This course is priceless for me. Just go for it. Okay? So thank you, Arshia. I always says that she is God sent. And I have this beautiful habit which I'll tell you today, that I save names in form of affirmations like angels are always with me. So for Arshia, angels are always with me. So guys, have a good day. See you and do this course and change your life, change your reality with money. Have a mwah, relationship with money. Like a most romantic relationship with money, okay? Take care, ciao.